Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you a cleaning and Hinch haul, which you guys know I love Mrs Hinch so much. I really love cleaning, decorating, decluttering, everything like that. So I have got quite a few things today. I've got a few things from her range at Tesco's, which I really like. And then I've also got just some cleaning products that I wanted to share with you. And yeah, let's go ahead and get started with the haul. So the first thing that I picked, they have quite a lot of things from the Mrs Hinch collection at the moment. I really needed a new diffuser. I use these for the bathroom, sometimes for the living room, just kind of depends. But I got two of these from the Mrs Hinch collection. They look really lovely, and I like these because they're supposed to be no spill. They don't have those reed diffuser sticks. It just has a bamboo cap, and I think it has the stick kind of inside like this. So it's supposed to be no spill, which is really good, especially if you have kids. And it says fragrance is diffused and released through the wooden cap, eliminating the need for separate reeds. So how good is that? These were £10 each. So I got this one in the fragrance Spring Flowers. I'm not sure what they smell like yet. I'll have to open it first. They also have candles like this as well. So this one is Spring Flowers, and then this one is Soft Towels. Really perfect for spring, just kind of making your home smell really nice and fresh, which I really like. So got two of these. Then I got a new duster. I really like the way this looks, but I think it's really practical as well. Let me actually open it and have a look. Fluff it up. Oh, it looks really good. I feel like this would be really good to get in like tiny places or places you can't reach properly, and yeah, just kind of get the dusting job done. Such a cute little duster, and I'm really excited to be cleaning now with this. And then I also got from the Mrs Hinch range, I got this little brush that I feel like it would be really good to scrub, like things that you need proper scrubbing for. So it just looks like this. It's got a bamboo handle, and this one was, I think, £2. Really good to scrub things that need, you know, a bit more force, if you know what I mean. Next up, this is not from the Mrs Hinch range, it's just something they have in Tesco's. I got a dog brush, like a grooming brush, and I know you're probably thinking, what the heck, you don't even have a dog, but hear me out. I got this because I saw this hack online on how to get your fluffy pillows, like the one that I have there, or ones like this. So this one's new, but you know, in time they kind of get a bit matted and they don't just look as lovely as they used to when you first bought them. So I saw this hack online that if you use a dog brush to brush those out, it actually turns out pretty much like new. And I tried it on that pillow. It actually needs another good brush, but I tried it. I already took it out of this, and it actually works really well. So I was really impressed with this. So if you've got fluffy pillows like that and you really need to kind of freshen them up a bit, get a dog brush, a grooming brush, and it will do the job. So that's why I got this. Then I got this Flash Magic Eraser. You might have heard me use this or mention this before because I use it all the time. I use this on my walls. I use this on furniture. If it's got any kind of marks, not necessarily scratches. If it's like a proper scratch in your furniture, obviously it won't get rid of that. If you've got little like drawings on your walls or skirting boards, anything like that, this will get rid of it. You're just gonna get it a bit wet, squeeze the water out of it, and then scrub where you need to, and it just does the job really well. So I get these all the time whenever I feel like I need to freshen up certain spots in our house. Then I got this set of microfiber window kits. I actually just wanted to have this to remove streaks and smears off not necessarily windows, just for when I need to dry things like maybe the sinks or something like that, and I don't want to leave any watermarks on it after I've you know, properly cleaned it. So I just wanted to get a few more of these. I might need to get some new just kind of general microfiber cloths because I think I've lost a few of them. I just feel like I have less and less, even though I know I had quite a lot of them. Oh, and this I got in Sainsbury's, actually, not in Tesco's, I think. I'm not sure if they have the same in Tesco's as well, because they usually have quite similar things, don't they? Then I got two products that I like to use every few months or so, I would say. I got the Finish dishwasher deep cleaner. It looks like this, and then this is the Dettol washing machine cleaner. So what these do, you basically put them in your dishwasher or your washing machine on an empty load, so no dishes or clothes in there. Just pop these in and turn on a cycle for the washing machine or the dishwasher, and these will kind of disinfect and deep clean your, like, the inside of your washing machine or dishwasher. So I use these once in a while. They do a really good job, and they also make it smell really nice and fresh. So yeah, these I get every few months. Then I needed some new floor cleaner. Sometimes I get the Method one, you know, that I think that I get the rhubarb scent for that one, which I really love, but they didn't have it in stock, so I just got the Flash floor cleaner, and this is in the crisp lemons scent, which I really like. I really like kind of citrusy scent, especially for spring. Since spring is coming up, I'm really looking forward to it. And yeah, just got one of these to get the floors all nice and clean. Then I got two Method products. So I got the Method gloss spray, which I really like. This is in a mint scent. It smells lovely, does the job really well, and I'm just running out, so I got a new one. And I also got the Method surface cleaner, just the regular one. It's a pink one, and it's in the rhubarb scent as well, but I already put that in my kitchen because I'm using it, so I forgot to bring it for the haul. But yeah, just got two of those. Then for the bathroom, I got the Febreze air freshener. I've never seen this one, the citrus one, before. Maybe they just didn't have it in my Tesco's, but I saw this one and I thought it would I would give it a try because I liked the other ones that give a nice scent. So we'll give this a go, see what it smells like. And then I got these Duck Fresh discs. These are to put in the toilet, and these are just the refills because I already have the little applicator thing. And it's really nice because you don't have to put one of those plastic thingies in your toilet, which I feel like is more hygienic with these ones. I prefer these myself. So I was running out, got two new refills for that. And then lastly, not really cleaning related, but I guess homemaking related, I got this new cookbook. I've seen this quite a bit online and it sounded perfect for me because I really like roasting dinners. Like if you just chuck things in a roasting tin, put it in the oven for like 30 minutes and you don't have to worry about it. I love that because it makes my life so much easier as a mom. I feel like Victor oftentimes really wants my attention, especially at dinner time, and obviously I need to cook dinner because otherwise we won't have anything to eat. So it's kind of hectic at times, which is why I love this, because you just put them in and then in the 20-30 minutes it takes to cook, I can play with him. So I thought I would give this a try, and it's the quick roasting tin because I just need quick. So yeah, they're all just meals that you can easily make in the oven. So I'm really excited to give these recipes a try. I got this off Amazon, but I've seen it in Tesco. They didn't have it in my Tesco's when I went, so I just ordered it off Amazon, but I will link it down below as well. And yeah, I think that's it. So I hope you guys have enjoyed today's video. I'm excited to get cleaning now with all of these products that I got, and I also filmed a home decor haul very recently, so if you haven't watched that, I will link it as well. But I think you will enjoy that because it's kind of new home decor bits that I got to kind of refresh, reset the home, so I will link that down below. But yeah, I hope you guys are having a good day, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.